Hi everyone, today I'm showing the new Diagrid Dev Dashboard, a companion tool for every Dapr developer that wants to inspect local Dapr applications. Here we see the initial view of the dashboard that contains an overview of the running applications. There are relevant Dapr and Diagrid resources on the left and a contextual Dapr CLI reference on the right. The top menu contains the main navigation, refresh rate, theme and share functionality. Many of the screens offer a drill down functionality to get more information. So I can go into application details here and I see specific details for the app and the Dapr sidecar. I can inspect the components and see which applications are using them, and I can use the component builder to create a new component. One of the major features in the dashboard is the Dapr workflow inspection. There's an overview that lists all the workflow instances, and you can drill down into an instance and see the inputs and outputs, all the meta information and the complete event history, and expand on that. This dashboard is available as a binary you download and install on your local machine. By default, there's zero setup required because it scans all local Dapr processes. There are some options you can configure to change that behavior, and that's all documented. The dashboard is free and open source. If you find an issue or have a feature request, you can submit an issue on GitHub. Try out the dashboard right now and let us know what you think. We love to get some feedback. Let's build some reliable applications.